Intro. Have you ever wondered what artificial intelligence, AI, is and how it works? AI is the development of intelligent agents, which are systems that can reason, learn, and act autonomously. AI is a rapidly developing field with the potential to revolutionize many industries, including healthcare, transportation, and manufacturing. What is AI? AI is a broad field that encompasses many different approaches to creating intelligent machines. Some of the most common AI techniques include machine learning, deep learning, and natural language processing. Machine learning is a type of AI that allows machines to learn without being explicitly programmed. Machine learning algorithms are trained on data, and they learn to identify patterns and make predictions based on that data. Deep learning is a type of machine learning that uses artificial neural networks. Artificial neural networks are inspired by the structure and function of the human brain. They are made up of interconnected nodes that can process information and learn from data. Natural language processing is a type of AI that allows machines to understand and generate human language. Natural language processing algorithms are used in a variety of applications, such as machine translation, speech recognition, and text analysis. How does AI work? AI algorithms work by processing data and learning from that data. For example, an AI algorithm that is trained on data of images of cats and dogs can learn to distinguish between cats and dogs. Once an AI algorithm is trained, it can be used to make predictions or perform tasks. For example, the AI algorithm trained on cat and dog images could be used to identify cats and dogs in new images. Applications of AI. AI is being used in a variety of ways today. Here are a few examples. Healthcare. AI is being used to develop new drugs and treatments, diagnose diseases, and provide personalized care to patients. For example, AI algorithms are being used to develop new cancer drugs and to identify patients who are at risk of developing certain diseases. Transportation. AI is being used to develop self-driving cars and trucks, optimize traffic flow, and create more efficient transportation systems. For example, AI algorithms are being used to develop self-driving cars that can navigate safely through complex traffic environments. Manufacturing. AI is being used to automate tasks, improve quality control, and predict demand. For example, AI algorithms are being used to automate tasks in factories and to predict customer demand for products. The future of AI. AI is a rapidly developing field, and it is difficult to predict the future of AI with certainty. However, it is clear that AI has the potential to revolutionize many industries and aspects of our lives. Here are a few possible future applications of AI. AI could be used to develop new and more effective medical treatments. AI could be used to create new and more efficient transportation systems. AI could be used to automate many tasks in the workplace, freeing up humans to focus on more creative and strategic work. AI could be used to create new forms of entertainment and education. Conclusion. AI is a powerful technology with the potential to improve our lives in many ways. As AI continues to develop, it is important to understand the technology and its potential impact on society. It is also important to ensure that AI is developed and used in a responsible and ethical way.